Now see next topic, it's a small topic, eliminate theta. This is also part of this identities. See, eliminate theta here, right? So what kind of approach to solve this type of questions? Let me write up one example. Okay, suppose here x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b cos theta. This is the question, and we have to prove, we have to eliminate theta here. To eliminate that, we know the first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So first we have to make alone this sign. So we have to write x upon a sin theta. Now here y upon b is equal to cos theta. Now square of this and square of this added to each other. So square of this is x square upon a square plus square of this y square upon b square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know this is 1. So x square upon a square, in this way also we can write x upon a whole square plus y upon b whole square is equal to 1. So we have seen there is no theta, only x a and y b. So very small topic of eliminate theta. Let's see some more examples regarding eliminate theta. In second question also, we have to make this cos and sin theta both are alone. So to make this, first we have to transfer h this side, x minus h, and this divide by a is equal to cos theta. Similarly here also we have to make alone this sin theta. So k transfer this side, y minus k upon divide by this b is equal to sin theta. Now same process we are going to use. Simply we are going to make first identity. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, add both. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. So instead of sin square theta we have to take this part. So y minus k upon b whole square plus, and what is cos theta? Cos is x minus h upon a and whole square, x minus h upon a whole square is equal to 1. Again we have eliminated theta using first identity. In some questions we will see second identity, in some questions we will see third identity. So these two questions we have seen which are based on in first identity. Now we are going to see next example which will be based on the second identity. Here sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to n. So we know here we are seeing sec and tan. So quickly second identity should be strike in our mind. What is that? Second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So the a square minus b square. So in one bracket we can add sec theta plus tan theta, and second bracket sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Sec theta plus tan theta we can put m, sec theta minus tan theta we can put n is equal to 1. So we have eliminated again theta. So any question, if we have to eliminate theta, if we are saying secant and, so second identity we have to use. If we are saying cos and cot, cosec and cot, we have to use third identity. If we are saying sin and cos, so we have to use first identity. Initial two questions we have seen sin and cos, so we have used first identity. In this question secant and, so we have used second identity. Okay, next example. Now see next example. Here x is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta, equation number 1, and y is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to 1. See here we are seeing sin and cos. So first identity we have to make. So what is first identity? First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we have to make square. So squaring of first equation as well as second equation. So square of first equation, that is x square plus y square. This type you have to write x square squaring of this plus y square squaring of this. So square of this a plus b whole square. First part we have to write a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square, because x square. Now plus y square a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Here a plus b whole square we have to open. Now here a minus b whole square. So open this. A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta, 2a into b. So 2ab cos theta into sin theta plus, now here a minus b whole square, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus, because minus is here, minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. This minus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta cancel out. So see here a square we can take common from these two, a square. So take common, in bracket we have cos square theta plus sin square theta plus, now in these two terms b square is common, so take common b square, in bracket we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. See first anti, so a square into 1 a square, again first anti a square into b, sorry 1 into b square. So a square x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So again we have eliminated theta. Okay, done.